Is your Silent Night electric blanket not working as expected? A quick reset can often solve issues like unresponsive controls or irregular heating. Let's walk through the simple reset procedure step by step. Step 1. Always unplug the blanket from the electrical outlet first. This is the most important safety step before attempting any reset procedure. Step 2. If your model allows it, detach the controller from the blanket. This helps reset the internal components more effectively. Step 3. Carefully inspect both the blanket and controller for any visible damage. Look for frayed wires, exposed heating elements, or any signs of wear and tear. Step 4. Let the blanket remain unplugged and disconnected for about 10 minutes. This waiting period allows the internal system to fully reset and discharge any residual electrical charge. Step 5. Reconnect the controller to the blanket securely, then plug the blanket back into the electrical outlet. Make sure all connections are snug and properly seated. Step 6. Turn on the blanket using the controller and set it to your desired heat setting. Monitor the blanket's performance to ensure it's heating properly and responding to the controls as expected. This simple 6-step reset procedure can resolve many common electric blanket problems. Remember to always prioritize safety by unplugging first, and if issues persist after the reset, contact Silent Night customer support for further assistance. When resetting your electric blanket doesn't solve the problem, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to identify and fix the issue. First, consult your user manual for model-specific guidance. Each Silent Night electric blanket may have unique features or requirements that are detailed in the manual. Next, verify all power connections. Ensure the supply plug is correctly connected to the blanket and try plugging into a different electrical socket to rule out power supply problems. Check both the supply fuse and the 3-amp plug fuse. A blown fuse is a common cause of electric blanket malfunctions and is easily replaceable. For heated throws with automatic timers, you may need to reset the controller by pressing and holding the on-off button until the controller lights up again. If error codes appear on your controller and persist after resetting, this indicates a more serious issue. Contact Silent Night customer service for professional assistance and warranty support. Now, let's cover essential safety tips to ensure you use your electric blanket safely and maintain it properly for years of reliable service. Safety should always be your top priority when using electric blankets. Never leave your blanket unattended when it's turned on, and consider using a timer for automatic shutoff. Inspect your electric blanket regularly for signs of wear and tear. Look for any visible wires, damaged cords, or frayed areas that could pose a safety risk. Replace your electric blanket approximately every 10 years or immediately if you notice any damage. This ensures optimal safety and performance. When washing your electric blanket, always disconnect all electrical leads first. Never dry clean an electric blanket, and ensure no wires are visible through the surface after washing. Following these troubleshooting steps and safety guidelines will help ensure your Silent Night electric blanket provides safe, reliable warmth for many years to come.